All right, it's time now for this hour's car review. I had a chance to drive.
No, I thought it was Mike's.
No, it's Don's.
Oh, well, then I better back this up.
Don said it was mine, but on the schedule, it's Don's.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right there. See? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, right there.
So
Don's.
you have to go by what he reads, not what he says.
Yeah. So I had a chance to drive the 2024 Ford Ranger. It comes in these trim levels: XL, XLT, Lariat, and Raptor. Did you know that they make a Ranger Raptor?
I did not.
No.
The one that I had is the Super Crew 4x4 Lariat, which is the top of the line for the regular Ranger. Compact pickup truck, seats 5, including the driver. Yes, it is a crew cab. All new sheet metal. This is the 5th generation of the Ranger. Exterior features include, well, one of the best looking compact pickups around, I think. Sharp looking grille with subtle side badges. Wheel and tire combo looks great on this. Door crease adds to its upscale look. What I liked about it, how the Ranger mimics the F-150, but with a smaller stature.
Yeah.
What could use improvement? Well, prices rising exponentially with the upper trim. Would you, somebody go out there and tell that boy to quiet it down, would you?
Yeah.
Prices rise exponentially with the upper trim levels. If you want to get into the Raptor, you're talking about some serious money right there. Interior highlights, Tesla-like optional infotainment screen is the centerpiece to the interior. Great cloth seats, yes. Leather's available for you people that don't know how to deal with the heat in Houston, Texas. Yep. Awesome dash layout, well designed. Now, as far as the bed size, they only come in one bed size and one cab, and that's the 4-door, the crew cab.
Yeah.
What I liked about it, the design. It's really nice looking. If you have not seen one, I encourage you, if you're in the market for what we call a mid-size pickup truck, to go and check it out. What could use improvement? More interior color, like the Raptor has. Just a little bit more color, I think, would be a little splash.
Accents.
Good. Yeah. Comes with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine that turns out 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque through a 10-speed automatic transmission. Tow rating 7,500 pounds, haul rating 1,800 pounds. So this is a workhorse. This is a body on frame. This is not like the Maverick. 21 miles per gallon city, 25 highway for combined to 22 is what it's rated for. I got 22 over 487.5 miles. What I liked about it, plenty of power. If you need more, there is a 3-liter V6 still available at 405 horsepower. Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know what you'd do with that, but okay.
Did you say turbo or no? Just a V6.
V6. Ride and handling, pretty smooth for an unloaded pickup truck. What could use improvement? Maybe an optional air ride suspension, but you start adding that kind of thing and you start increasing the price of it.
Yep.
And price is important. Base trim price, $32,670, so it's not cheap. That's the base. Price is tested $43,630. Now that's the top of the line Lariat, just one below the Raptor. You don't even want to know how much the Raptor is. Base model price $39,565. So with that base model price in mind, competitors include the Chevy Colorado for $31,095, Toyota Tacoma for $33,700, and the Honda Ridgeline $39,750. And that is my review of the 2024 Ford Ranger Super Crew 4x4 Lariat with the 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine.
Very good.
Yeah, I think that's it's kind of like the Ranger's always been out there. So
yeah, well, they've done the improvements, made it a little bit bigger, which
so that's the reason the Maverick comes in a little bit smaller. Yeah, so it's a nice size.
I think so too. I liked it very much. What could use improvement? Well, you pick it, because I just didn't make it up, but a little bit more splash on the interior. But remember, it is a truck. And I know people now have limousine trucks.
Exactly.
Hey, if you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. The address here is info@nwheeltime.com. We are back.